He did. Oh, whose birthday is it? Oh, who's so excited? Who's so excited? Ready to sing?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dibs. Happy birthday to you. Yay, Dibs, what a good boy. Who gets a piece of hamburger cake now? Oh, look. No way. No freaking.
Are you getting this?
Yeah. Good boy, Dibs.
He's going to go to the little one first. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, I think you go up to the little one.
I think this can't be. I can't be this lucky to get a hamburger cake. It's rolling around. He finally got it. Alright, pick it up. He can't eat it anymore.
Is he eating it in pieces or?
He's just eating the whole thing. Hey, Dibs. Oh, what a good puppy. Good boy, Tom. Daddy cooked your hamburger cake and everything. Say, please give me more.
This is like the best thing he's ever had. It's very greasy though. I think this should be it. Don't you think?
Yep.
What do you think?
I think
You
that's
got
enough.
the top and like a half of the second. Like,
Yeah, that's definitely enough.
I'll just give him one more little piece of this. All right, Dibs.
Good boy, Tam. Good boy.
Happy birthday, Dibs.
Happy birthday, Tibbs. Look at him lick the floor. Good boy, Tam.
Rest for you. You can have some later too.
He's a good puppy. He's a good puppy.